here on section 7.3, fractions and whole number multiplication. We're going to be reviewing what we have reviewed in section 7.1 and really make sure we have a thorough foundation when it comes to multiplying fractions, specifically fractions with whole numbers. So this is going to be a really quick lesson, but I just wanted to review one more time and make sure that all the cobwebs are cleared out of our head when it comes to multiplying fractions. So as you can see there, my big red bubble, it says that all whole numbers have 1 as the denominator. So that 4 over there is obviously a whole number. And I'm going to write it with a 1 as my denominator. So then from there, I just go through my steps. I'm going to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, which are what my steps say right here. Multiply your numerator of the first fraction by the numerator of the second fraction. That's going to give you your new numerator. Then you're going to multiply the denominator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction, and that's going to give you your new denominator. And then finally what I want you to do is I want you to put that new fraction in simplest form. So with my original problem, my 4 times 5/8, let's see what that would look like. Again, numerator times numerator. So 4 times 5 gives me a numerator of 20. And then 1 times 8. This will also give me a denominator of 8. Now I bet you're looking at this fraction and you're saying, wait a second, Mrs. Bone. We can't leave our answer like that. It's obviously an improper fraction. And if you are saying that, pat yourself on the back and kiss your brain, because you are absolutely right. I cannot leave my answer like this. I have to divide it to get a mixed number. So 8 goes into 20, 8, 16, 24, something like 2 times 16, 4. So my answer is 2 and 4/8. And I know because you guys are so highly intelligent that you realize that 4/8 is the equivalent to 1/2. So my final answer is going to be 2 and 1/2. So I have 3 problems here for you. Now, if you feel confident in your ability to solve these problems, then please write these problems down, pause it, and solve them, and then check yourself with my work. I'm going to start by putting my 6, giving my 6 a denominator of 1. And then I know I can simply do numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 18/4 is my product. I'm going to divide 18/4 to get a mixed number. 4 goes into 18 4 times, giving me 16, subtract, I get 2, and 2/4, which can be simplified to 4 and 1/2. If you got that correct, give yourself a smiley. 7/8 times 3 over 1, of course. 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 1 is 8. divide to get a mixed number. 8 goes into 21 2 times. 5 left over. So 5/8 is my remainder. So my final answer is 2 5/8. If you got that right, give yourself a smiley. And then our last problem. 8 times 5 6. Of course, it's over 1. 8 times 5 is 40 over 6. Divide. Oh, so 6 times 6 is 36. 6 and 4, 6. Now I know I can divide 4 and 6 by 2 and get 4 and 2/3 in simplest form. Smile if you got it right. So by now we've done 3 sections where we multiply whole numbers times fractions. We should have no issues with this now, and if you do, please come and talk to me and let me know. It's very important that you understand how to multiply fractions. I'll see you guys tomorrow.